Hi guys, just wanted to take a moment to show you how to use the publish to the web link for sharing your Google Slides presentations. It looks a lot more, it just looks a lot more aesthetically pleasing than using the share settings. So let me just show you what I mean. So over here we have our share settings that we all know and love. And when you share it, you can change how you present it, and I mean, not how you present it, but rather who can see it and what they can do with it. So, for example, if you want to share with anyone with the link, you can do that. I would highly suggest you not make everyone with the link the editor. That's a terrible idea because then anybody who has that link can go in and change it. So usually if we do anyone with a link, we do viewer. Sometimes we might want to collaborate with somebody, and then we can use the restricted and share it with another human. But basically, if you're sharing it with a link and you want people to view it, what they're going to see when you share it, let me just copying that link, coming over here and pasting that in. So now they're going to see it with all this stuff around it. So they see, you know, this part, the main body of your presentation, and they also see all the slides on the side and all this. However, if you want it to look a little bit more present-y, yes, that's a word, I just invented it. Go over here to File, Publish to the Web, and then you want to set how often you want it to advance. If you have audio in it, you're going to need to have it advance. You know, you're going to need to set it so that it's the same or longer as your sorry, it's late for me. It is the same length or longer than your longest audio. So if you have audio that lasts, say, 16 seconds. If you do 15 seconds, obviously that's going to cut off a second. So you might want to do 30 seconds, etc., etc. So you can set it to however you want. You can have it so that the slideshow starts as soon as the player loads, or you can have it so that people have to advance it themselves. And once you have done that, when you click on publish, it'll always show that little thing. And then here you have this little, like, the URL address. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I'm sorry, once again, it's late. It's almost my bedtime. So coming over here to another tab, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. And then, boom. So what your audience would see then would be this. So it would show this automatically, since I have it set to advance every 3 seconds. That's what it's doing. And you know, they're not seeing all this stuff on the side. Additionally, they can't make a copy of it. So if you set it to view only, somebody can make a copy of that. So if you don't want that to happen, doing this presentation mode actually will help with that. Another thing I want to show you real quick, if you're doing a presentation and you're including audio, so if I were to include audio here, so just move it somewhere. So if I wanted to include audio, I would likely want to have it start automatically. Once I choose start automatically, that means that as soon as it gets to that slide, it will start it automatically. And I also can have it so that it hides the icon when it is playing. So I can have it set to the, you know, publish to the web. I can have it set to start automatically, hide that icon, and it just plays as a very nice presentation. So anyhow, consider using those features when you are linking your presentation into your website. Happy creating and good night.